Okay, so this is going to be example 1B, and I'm also going to work questions 3 and 4. What I ask you to do is every time we start one, go ahead and pause me, you try it, and then come back around and see if you did it right. So let's get started with example 1B. Okay, for example 1B, they start off by giving you two pieces of information. They give you a slope, which I'm just going to call it M. So M equals 0. And then they give you a point. P is -2 and -1. Okay. So the equation we're going to use is the point slope form. Just remember two key words: point as in x1, y1, and slope as in M. So here we go, point slope form is written in the form of y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. Okay, so they gave us a slope and they gave us a point, so we're going to replace the slopes and the point. So here we go, y minus, now notice it's a -1, so you got to wrap it in parentheses, -1 equals, your slope is 0, and then x minus, and notice it's a -2, so it's -2. Okay, so let's see what happens. First of all, we do our basic math, try to get rid of parentheses. Now we end up with y plus 1 equals 0, x plus 2. We keep cleaning everything up. Let's see, our next step would be to try to get rid of parentheses. This gives us y plus 1 equals, hey, wait up a minute, 0. So, seems to be your answer. But I need you thinking a little bit bigger than that and realizing that our next step, or what's going to end up being our next step, is to try to get this in slope intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. So for this example, it would be y equals -1. So if I were to ask you to find m and find b, hopefully you're starting to realize m is still 0, but b is -1. Really super easy to graph with that equation in that form. All right, so let's move on to question number 3. Question number 3. And what I ask you to do is go ahead and put me on pause. You try it and let's see what happens. Okay, so here we are given m equals 6 and an ordered pair of 1 and 2. So we start off with y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. Replace what we got equals 6x minus 1. And then work it out, and we get y minus 6 equals 6. Oops, I said that wrong. That was my bad. Y minus 2, 6x minus 6. Let's see, what do we want to do here? And this is where they want us to stop for right now, but keep in mind the eventual goal is to create the slope intercept form. So I'm just going to walk you through this, but this is the answer they want in that box. All we would need to do is move this 2 over here. So we would get y equals 6x minus 4, where m equals 6 and b equals -4, which is the ordered pair, 0, -4. All right, let's move on to question number 4. And again, put me on pause, you work question number 4, and then come back to me. Okay, so question number 4 looks like this. Okay, so here we go. The slope is 1/3. The point is -3, 1. We're going to use the point slope form. Y minus y1 equals m x minus x1, and go. So we're going to do, okay, I wish that would stop moving. Y minus 1 equals 1/3 x minus -3. Okay, so we got to clean this up first. So we get y minus 1 equals 1/3 x plus 3. Okay, now we distribute, and y minus 1 equals 1/3 of an x. And what's 1/3 of 3? Well, that would be a positive 1. Now let's get rid of this guy. Plus 1 plus... Oh, wait, my bad. That's the answer they want. Almost, actually, they wanted this one. Sorry about that. Got carried away. Okay, they actually want this answer. This went too far because they want it in point slope form. This is actually in the process of putting it into slope intercept form, which is, of course, our next step. So because I am B, I'm going to show you plus 1, and this is going to get you y equals 1/3 of an x plus 2. So if I asked you to find M and I asked you to find B in order to graph it, M would be 1/3, up 1, right 3, and B would be the ordered pair 0, 2. And thank you for watching. Bye.